in a way, I think sort of personalization has become a bit of a sort of bastardized term, because what does it really mean? It's not hi, first name. It's actually should be a level of sort of deeper understanding and recognition and awareness. And I actually think a lot of brands talk about personalization in inverted commas when they don't really have a real relationship with the consumer. So it sort of becomes a proxy for relevance. But I think particularly when, if we're talking about inertia and subscription and so on, there's actually more value there because somebody's committed in some way financially to that brand. Are you using the data in the relationship in a smart way to play back the things that resonate with that individual? And you're absolutely right that there is so much data, and you can use that data in different ways. Some of it can be used as triggers, to flag now's the moment to be intervening and doing things. Some of it can be used more for profiling and planning and segmentation, and ultimately for sort of strategic planning. I think probably both in terms of do you want inertia in the relationship, and do you want personalization in the relationship? I think the only way to actually start to answer those questions is to robustly test and actually have discipline around, I'm going to take my audience and I'm going to do this with this part, and I'm going to do this with this part, and I'm going to do this with this part, so that you can actually definitively build confidence in, for people like that, these are the things that work. For people like that, these are the things that work.
Yeah.
And that's always tough, for organizations, because it increases complexity, but there also has to be that sort of trade-off between, maybe I'm compromising my short-term results to allow me to run these tests in the knowledge that it's actually going to pay back, because I'm going to create this knowledge that's going to allow better performance.